Well, hello my beautiful and amazing crafters. Welcome to another video of crafting with Shaneda. In today's tutorial, I'm just going to show you how I put together this beautiful, budget-friendly bridal gift box with just a few items. So the first item I wanted to personalize was this satin sleep mask that I got from Amazon. I will put the link in the description box below, and I decided to personalize this pink sleep mask with the bride's name. Using the HTV white heat transfer vinyl, I went ahead and cut out a design and used my Cricut Mini heat press to adhere the vinyl onto the mask. I had it at a medium setting and just took my time using a piece of butcher sheet just to make sure it did not burn or ruin the mask. And with the HTV iron on, it laid perfectly. So I removed the transfer sheet and pressed it one more time with the butcher paper, and the vinyl just laid so flat and flawless against the sleep mask, a great personalized gift. Next, I wanted to place some candies in a little candy box. I do have the template for this little mini candy box on my Etsy shop. I'll have the link below. And I just wanted to jazz it up and actually use my Heidi swap make machine to foil and have that foil design. So I printed it out with my laser printer, and I used my Cricut Explore Air to cut out the design. And then I ran the template through my Heidi make machine with using some burgundy foil, and this came out so pretty. Just I love the little shine that the foil brought to the design. And with this template, I was able to do different sizes and able to put different size candy in the box. Here's a template that I made earlier, and I made a size to fit some Hershey Kisses. These were about 3 to 4 inches, and then I made a template size about 5 inches to fit the Hershey miniatures and Crackle miniatures. That would be really cute. Instead of just adding the pieces of candy into the box, I could just have a little personalized touch that makes a whole world of difference. I really enjoy working with resin, so I thought it would be a really nice idea to add a little resin ring tray and coaster to my gift basket. I do have a video, I'll link it below, on step-by-step how I create my little resin trays if you want to watch that. But I decided just to do something very simple. I made like a little pink resin tray and then a half pink, half gold and white coaster. And with the extra resin that I had left over, I decided to just go ahead and make a keychain, and I made one for myself as well. Always gotta throw yourself a little gift here and there. And I personalized the little Cricut tray. I got the mold from Amazon, this little heart mold. And using my drill bit, I went ahead and added a tassel to the keychain. Another great gift to add to my bridal box. Well, I just feel like every box should have a little mug or a glass, and I found this glass flute and decided to personalize it with some permanent vinyl. So I went ahead and washed this beforehand, and then went ahead and cleaned it again with some alcohol just to make sure the vinyl had a nice clean surface. And using the bride's name to be, I went ahead and put her last name and then the year that she would be getting married, and just stuffed it with a little bit of tissue. And this made a great addition to the bridal box. And last but certainly not least, is I added a candle to the bridal box. I just uploaded the video of how I make my homemade DIY candle, and I used those same steps to create this candle here. And I created a label to personalize the candle. I got this 12 by 6 gift box from Amazon. I really liked that it was a very sturdy box and that it came with a magnetic closure. I wanted to be able to put these items in a very nice sturdy box to just give that final look when presenting this to the bride to be. This box I will have listed below, but I wanted to just show you the measurements here. And it was a perfect size for all the items that I created using my Cricut machine. I just placed everything in the box, and I did make my own personalized card as well, just to add a final touch. I did add some of my homemade lotions, but I'll have a video coming up soon on how to make that as well in the future. This was such a nice way to make your own gift. Sometimes personalized gifts are the best because you can really tailor it made to the person that you're giving it to, and just show them the time that it takes just to make them feel special. If it's their birthday, in this case it's going to be a bridal shower, baby shower, whatever the case may be, you can really show that person that you can make something with your own two hands without just going and running to the store. And here at Crafting with Shaneda, we'll show you exactly how to do that. I do have a mom-to-be basket that I'll be working on soon, so look out for that video to be posted. And make sure that you hit that subscribe button. We would love to have you a part of the Crafting with Shaneda family. We work really hard to get videos out every week and really stay and make it very easy to follow, beginner-friendly projects. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope you learned a little bit or a lot, and I hope you got a few good ideas for your next bride-to-be box. If you do, make sure to tag us. We would love to see it. Well, you know we cannot wait to see you on the next video of Crafting with Shaneda. Happy crafting!